Thank you for tuning in to another Double Down Showdown 2-pack from the Spin Master Monster Jam series. This is my 7th Double Down Showdown 2-pack. We're gonna look at Higher Education and Bounty Hunter. Now, I already did a review of Bounty Hunter as singles. Higher Education is the reason why I picked this double pack up. I wish that they had a different truck instead of Bounty Hunter. And on the back, which I just reviewed, was Son of a Digger and Mohawk Warrior 2-pack. So let's go ahead, take a look at Higher Education, and I'll show you Bounty Hunter as well. A little bit extra protection to keep that in there. So, let's go ahead, take a look at Bounty Hunter first of all. This is the new Bounty Hunter look. Finally, we get an updated version of the graphics for Bounty Hunter. Some of it is not really true to the Bounty Hunter graphics that are on the Monster Jam truck of Jimmy Cretin. It's better than nothing, right? So there's the front, the sides, in the back. So there's a different variation of Bounty Hunter as well. The one that has a phone number, TexasTruckWorks.com, and then that's TexasTruckWorks.com logo as well. And on the tailgate they have it. So that's Bounty Hunter if you haven't seen that version. Let's bring in Higher Education. Wow. Right there, cool bus. And you get a little stop sign. Does it go back and forth? I don't think it does. No, it's just like in there. It's hard to tell if there's a driver in there. If there's a driver in there, that would have been awesome. On the sides of Higher Education, they took away some of the sponsors on the truck, and also the emergency exit, which would have been like right around here. I'm going to bring in the Hot Wheels version here real quickly. Back says cool bus. And on this side, and underneath, you can tell that it's not the silver looking plates underneath where they would have the sponsors. It's a gray plastic. So let's bring in real quickly, you know, this one. So there's the emergency exit, which I was telling you about above my thumb. It says emergency exit. There's like a door where the door would come out for the school children. See, there's the different sponsors for higher education. And it also says District of Higher Education, which one, now the new one just says Higher Education. This one over here on the left, the Monster Jam one, these are like kind of bumpy, but over here this is just smooth of the lights. Here, this is kind of bumpy too, but this is bumpy also on the Spin Master's version, but a little bit different. To the front, just so you can see the differences between Hot Wheels and Spin Master. The Spin Master's version on here, I think, looks better than Hot Wheels right there. You know the stop sign? There's a stop sign. It's just right there on the truck. Instead of popping out, I would have also enjoyed just on the side. Would have been okay with me, but it looks like that they would have ran out of room if they did that. But hopefully you enjoyed this review of the Double Down Showdown 2-pack of Higher Education and Bounty Hunter. Hopefully you'll enjoy more Spin Master Monster Jam videos that I upload in the future.